Hey guys, it's Millie's channel here. So today we're going to be making slime. But first, I'm going to tell you what we need. We need PVA glue. What's this called? Bicarbonate soda. Food colouring and contact lens solution. What's in there?
Acid.
Acid.
That's it.
So you can get it from Asda. So you have to get in Asda, the aisle, but if you can't, the aisle 2. So let's get started. So first we need some glue. That's enough. And then we need some bicarbonate soda. 2 bits in, a little spoonful. And then give it a good mix. And then you have to add the food colouring in. A tiny little bit, don't add too much. Otherwise it will.
Tiny drop.
Tiny little drop.
That's it.
It's not turning very
It
good.
is.
No, it isn't.
You need to put contact lenses in.
And then you contact lenses solution in. Okay.
That will make
That will make
it into a globe. And a slime.
it will make it into slime. And then that's enough. And then you mix it all up. And you can see mine's turning in to slime. If you want, you can add glitter in, but I'm not because it might make it like, or like, thingy. Because don't add too much contact solution, otherwise it'll go like all runny and taste like slime. But you just mix it a little bit more. And then you're all done. And then you can play with it. And then you're done. So bye guys.